One of the leading achievements of civilized societies is the drainage system. The Romans already knew that by disposing of sewage, not only could the quality of life be enhanced, but illnesses avoided as well. Today, we take the drainage system for granted and pay little attention to the disposal of sewage. Yet the importance of a functioning drainage system becomes clear when pipelines are blocked or the cellar has been flooded by backflow. Investigations in various regions have shown that on average between 70% and 90% of pipes are defective. A quarter of the pipes were in urgent need of rehabilitation in order to guarantee their functionality and structural stability. Damage can arise as a result of defective pipes in the building, such as drainage blockages, damp walls, and mold formation. For a long time, rehabilitation of defective sewage pipes was a costly and arduous business. The floor slab and walls had to be opened up and pipes relaid. Brawoliner offers a rehabilitation solution that permits fast and affordable long-term rehabilitation of sewage pipes, fall pipes, and connection fittings. An inspection opening or accessibility along the lines of a toilet connection are sufficient for rehabilitation purposes. The cleaned pipe is first inspected with a camera, and the length and circumstances of the pipe recorded. After cutting to the determined length, one end of the liner is closed and de-aired using a vacuum pump. The dosing and mixing of resin and hardener play an important role in rehabilitation using liners. Only when resin and hardener are dosed in the correct proportions and thoroughly mixed can the desired static properties be guaranteed. The Bravo resin mixer is especially convenient and reliable for carrying this out. The liner is rolled into the desired wall thickness during the impregnation process until the resin has been worked uniformly into the liner. The liner is placed in the drum for installation and one end attached to the inversion bend. The inversion occurs with air or water pressure. The flexible Brawoliner optimally adapts even to bends up to 90 degrees and up to 2 dimension changes of the old pipe. All existing and potential damage is eliminated. Curing can occur at the ambient temperature. The curing time can be significantly reduced by the addition of heat. The result is a completely new pipe within the old pipe, with much better static and hydraulic properties. If the connection fittings are defective, they can be effortlessly rehabilitated or connected with the tried and tested Brawoliner connection sleeves. The advantages of the Brawoliner rehabilitation are obvious. Rehabilitation is possible within a single day, since no excavation work and opening of the floor slab and walls are necessary. Consequently, rehabilitation is up to 50% cheaper than replacing the pipes with open construction methods. The durability of the Brawoliner rehabilitation has been proven to be over 50 years. Thanks to its advantages, Brawoliner is the ideal rehabilitation measure in residential complexes, industrial plants, and private households. Brawoliner stands for quality. As a full solution supplier, we offer not only multiple award-winning consumable materials, liner and resin, but also high-quality equipment that offers considerable advantages during the installation of a Brawoliner. With our own engineering team, we are able to fit entire rehabilitation vehicles and address specific customer needs in the process. Specific national licenses, such as the demanding DIBT certification, provide customers with certainty. Repeated test victories in the IKT goods test document Brawoliner's outstanding quality. Our worldwide delivery service, customized user courses, and project support make us a strong partner for you. Quality is worth it. Brawoliner stands for quality. Visit www.brawoliner.de for more information. We will also be glad to advise you personally.